Good afternoon. Big up on yourself today, everyone. On a big up on yourself, and me love on all. And thank you all for your funny comments that make me laugh because it bring me joy. If my video bring you joy, your comments bring me joy. Long as it funny, right? Because me need to get some feedback too. Cause when no funny, when make me laugh a lot. Trust me, Avina she always make me laugh. Oh, pretty girl Avina. Oh man, this girl is something else. One day I'm gonna meet her in life. Anyway, she did. You know, God be the glory and great things He has done. You find great friends and people that you know really, really good that make you laugh. Big up England, big up Europe, Toronto, no no come good on first, and London, Amsterdam, Jamaica, West Africa, Guyana, Trinidad, St. Lucia, St. Vincent, St. Croix, St. Thomas, all in place, the Brooklyn, Bronx, Queens, Manhattan, Connecticut, down south, all the way down south, me have fun from. Like basically everywhere. Jamaica, pick up yourself, hometown, from St. Margaret's Bay to Buff Bay, to Mount Pleasant Road, to Nata Bay, Buff Bay, all the way to Kingston, Gutters, you see me? Young Street, big up on yourself. Everybody big up. Yeah, so we want to talk about today. You have some man nowadays. Yes, man. For some reason, I have to look over my shoulder when I'm in the house. Out of the park, the man come out there yesterday. I know Wayne did one from my life. The boy come dress up in a brown boot, you know, long boot like them African boot. And him have on one khaki pants and one long sleeve white shirt, well dressed. One brown kin boy. One to play like him a playboy, my pretty boy. So I sit down and one back up my little food figure digest for my chest and have a wonderful time. I say, Lord God have mercy. Here come the devil dressed fully. If you come face me at the bright day, if you come give me trouble. To make me have upset stomach. And you know me did have upset stomach. Me did have upset stomach, man. Lord God, my belly had me last night like thunder. Yeah? All the up of food and mama come home last night and the rest. My belly started to hurt me tell you, man. And the rest party wasn't coming downstairs. You feel like you wanna come upstairs. I had to drink some apple cider vinegar and bring up some of that rice and sit. Me tell you it was nasty. And just upset. I don't know if I the gravy, me go take the still gravy and never fresh. Cause me can't eat nothing fresh. Well, that food yesterday was nice going down, but it wasn't nice coming up. Lord, help me. So I'm hungry. I feel like I want outside food today. I know what I'm going to name because I'm tired of eating garbage if I not cook. But some of them man are very, very nasty. You can pick up a man and you see him look pretty. You say, what a boy pretty, the boy nice car, nice clothes. And the boy look pretty. And when you realize from the shout, when I get to know him, in why you hold him in a body. There's a lot of sick people out there. It's a lot. I meet this boy one time, pretty boy. I want me hold him in a body. Nasty. You can't trust some of them. Some of them are devil's child. And every man you see a man. Some of them are man, but them are woman. And them are go with a man, but they want you to use false penis pan them like man. And I understand. I'm not against nobody who gain because gay is not a natural thing to me. I don't think gay is a natural thing. I think it's a sickness. I think it's a disability. So I can't against somebody because I wonder how you feel about gay and your torment inside you feel like a woman and your man on the outside. I can't tell nobody how they feel because I never feel so. So I can't judge nobody. I can't hate nobody as a person because they don't do me nothing. But what I can say, some of them man very fucking nasty and they come to you as a straight man and them fucking nasty. Some of them want deal with you for your period, they want name you for your period. You have all kind of nasty man. Some of them want suck your toe. Some of them, it's disgusting. You have one man used to come and every time he used to come on my yard and come outside and ring my bell for what? Just see me and like me. One day more tell me say if you can get a cup of peace. I tell him $100 glass, Baba. A $100 glass. And for God forgive me missing. Every time he come when my guy work in a good job, big office man, I work with good education. Pretty black boy. And every time he come, me piss in a one plastic glass and shove it through the door. As soon as he pass the $100 give me shove it through the door give him. And he take a drink down. And it's sad, I shouldn't have tell him anything. And I'm sorry. But I was young and stupid. And I never see anything like that in my life. Man I buy a piece for you, tell him to give $100, him say okay. You know you got piss in a glass, give him and you got make $100. Anybody that get tempted. But me wonder why him do these things. Him get some kind of sexual, cause when him drink, he go, oh, like him get some kind of sexual, I must say company himself when he drink the piss. Me no know. It's sickening. And me used to take the money and it's wrong, but God forgive me, because me never did know better. And me used to live at the house, so the old man owned the house and me take care of him. And me live upstairs, and the old man was like my father. And he said to me, said, daughter, come. Come, Tina, come. He said, one young man come to you today, you know. He name call. Me say, what you want? He said, come collect some kind of drink from you. Me say, Ross, I the man that me I tell about to collect the piss, we like to drink the piss. Me said, Daddy, when you come, the man was like 80 years old. But he go on like he young, he was a nice man. Me said to him, say, listen to me, Daddy. Anytime you see that man, they come. And me not there, yeah. If you have to piss in a plastic container, me get the plastic up. Then piss in a one of them, yeah. And tell him, hold on. Tell him, say, me just left and me left something for him. And piss in a one of the plastic cup, them. And give him and collect the $100 for me. If you not enough, put like a warm water in there and give me. The man never do it. Him laugh. But I didn't want to lose $1. And God forgive me, I do them thing and sell it to him because I didn't know where I'm coming. That's why I'm big and I bother me. Every time him see me, I would bother me that he want. You know, and I needed the money at the time. So I give it to him. And he drunk and he had a good time and he go and he come and he buy and he drink and he go and he had a good time. I just don't know why people do these things. Back in the days in club, you have men who come there asking women to buy the period pad and all these disgusting things. Some of them want you to shit on them. Some of them want you to spit on them. Some of them want you to beat them with a whip. One of them want to dress up in fucking woman clothes and fishnet stocking and want you to kick him with your shoes, spit on him, step on him, curse him, and take a whip and whip his ass and take all his money. You have all these crazy things, you know. I ask God to forgive me. But in life, I have learned a lot. And I've learned a good lesson that there's a lot of fucking crazy people out here. I mean, the world is gone mad. The whole world is almost satanic. But I ask God to have his grace upon me. I ask God to have grace upon his people and give us the strength not to fall into that places. To come out of these deep, dark, nasty places and rise to the light of Jesus Christ of Nazareth and shine as a person. Every human being have a light that need to be shine. That need to be connected with God, with one spirit of holiness and happiness and greatness. So you will know the right from the wrong. And certain things nobody could get me to do again. No guy could never get me to put on any strap on and have sex with them again. And push this and push this there and do it. It's satanic. Why would a man want a woman to put a strap on and to have sex with him? He got to be a psychopathic. He got to be a sick motherfucker. How the fuck you have wife and fucking kids and you go to a woman, a beautiful woman, and tell her you need dick? So she don't have a dick. So you pick out $1,000 and say, here, buy yourself something and buy me a nice dick. And she had to fucking go and get a dick and strap it on and come back and put it in your asshole. And all you can do as a grown-ass man at 50 to 45 years old is lie on your knees and whine while that plastic dick in your ass. You are a sick, psychopathic motherfucker. You lost it. And as a sinner, I shouldn't be cursing when I call God's name, but I just lost it. You're sick. You need help. Why would you need to have penis in your ass as a grown-ass married man? Or any young man that's claimed that they're with a woman and they're with a woman and in a relationship with a woman. What the hell your dick is doing in somebody's ass? Please tell me why or your dick is in somebody else's asshole, pounding, like you're digging for gold when you're only digging and shit. And then you go back to a beautiful woman. And if you like plastic dick in your ass, the question is to the woman, do you like a real dick? Of course you should like a real dick. And a live dick, which is not a plastic dick, and probably you have a man fucking you, because as a straight man, you should not like dick at all, period. How the hell you come up with marry, having kids, and taking plastic dick, and your own wife that you live with had different size of dick that she should be in your ass? Then motherfucker, I don't think you're straight. I think you're playing the game of being straight, but you are not straight. the fuck you gonna sit with another grown man and telling him about a woman fucking your ass and he's telling you, oh, my girlfriend did it too? Y'all motherfuckers are the same. That's why you complain that y'all can get along. Because y'all fucking each other. Now, when God had give you gift and give you blessing and give you money and give you job and you can make money in society and stand up to take care of your family, have money to spend and to enjoy, you must remember God. And you can't love God. You can't love your wife. And you can't love your kids if you can't love yourself and be true to yourself and know that you're not straight. Think about it. What man want to beat his wife or discriminate a woman that he claim he love or married to? An asshole? A good for nothing man? A mama man? A man that goes around and talk to women any kind of way and make rumors about women and talk your business in the street to other people about women and bringing one news to one woman. You are a fucking asshole. And if you're taking dick in your ass, that means you're probably sucking it. So I don't expect you to be better than an asshole. You have to know your limit as a man. Penis is made for a woman's vagina. That's why you have one flat round and one to go into fitting. It fit, the screw go in and everything fit. I have nothing against someone is gay. That's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about a straight man who pretend to be a fucking straight man when he's sucking dick and taking dick and pretend. And then some of them want to get women to run behind them, to praise them like some goddess. Honey, you ain't call me today. Baby, what's going on? And you know you taking dick. There's no way you're not taking it. What in the world could let you go so damn low? What kind of feelings are you looking for when you're on your knees and a woman got plastic penis in your ass as a man? That's supposed to kill your integrity. As a man, now you become a woman? And then you want to blabber your mouth and run your mouth? How much money you make and what you do? Money can never buy a woman when she knows you're not a man. Money could never buy a woman when she know you're worthless, good for nothing, and you're trash. Whatever you give her and she can take, she will take and run. But she have no use for you. Because you don't deserve to be a man when you're taking cocks. When you're disrespecting a woman. When you're disrespecting the woman you with. When you're cheating on the woman you with. When you're lying to the woman you with. When you're abusing the woman you with. You are a fucking dirt bag. And you are a cocksucker. That's why you're going down, motherfucker. How long God is going to bless motherfucking creatures like y'all? How long you're going to be driving around and picking up prostitute and O's off the street and try to belittle them for a couple of dollars to get your ego straight, motherfucker? How long you think you can call somebody and disrespect them and text sending them and start them because you have nothing to live for? Your integrity is burned out with plastic cock in your asshole. It's gone. Your manship is gone. Now you become some little bitch, some little slut, some little bitch with no ambition, with no place going. Your soul is gone. You don't even know God. And when you don't know God, you're going to suffer because faith is the only way. And the light will shine where God will continue to bless you and multiply you only if you can look upwards in the light. And that is not the light. That is of satanic. When you're married, when you're cheating and have man having sex with you in your butt and thinking that you getting freaky and you want this. You know, people should scorn you. There's no way a woman want to be with a man that do such thing and then come to have a wife, have a girlfriend, picking a prostitute, and then you come back home to the woman, you want to have unprotected sex with her. You want her to suck your dick when you come home. And you know the kind of life you're living. You're a walking germs in a slime bag. And these guys are out there, believe me, looking like a prey. They're like a fucking hungry dog to a bone. They're waiting to attack. They see you from a distance, but if you look closer, you will see that they're only demons. You will see that they're only darkness. You see that they're weak inside. That's why they see you're too strong and you're too powerful. So they try to play with your mind to see if they can get you weak, to see if they can brainwash to get what they want, to have you as a sex slave, to have you as a mental and stupid woman, to have you as a worthless woman and worth nothing in life. And they will drag you underneath their feet because they worth nothing.